So it's currently 12:30 and today I'll be going to Disneyland with my friend, which I'm really excited for. Right now I'm going to be unboxing this. I got this yesterday. My school starts on Thursday and my other computer has been like really slow and the battery's like almost broken. So I decided to get a new one because I've been using my other one for 4 or 5 years. I got the new MacBook Air. I think this one's like the white one or the silver one. I forgot. And I'm going to be putting some of the stickers I got from AnimeCon. I'm gonna either put the Gojo one or the Makima one. Bro, why is there like nobody here today? It's kind of scary, not gonna lie. Overpriced ice cream. This was $45. Everything here is overpriced. Oh my, we're finally going on. We've been waiting for like 2 hours. 90 minutes. Oh my god.